Okay friends, today we learn about SolidWorks, how to create and make weldment, custom weldment profile, and how to add a custom weldment profile in design library. So first of all we need to make a weldment profile. So we go to the new parts and select OK. Now we choose a one plane like top plane and select the sketch. Now we make a square profile, so we just go to the square center rectangle and select this. Now we add some dimension, so add a dimension of a square profile like 50. My square profile is 50 by 50 and go with the offset entity. Now I want to the 3 mm offset. Now select this sketch entity and add a reverse direction and select OK. So our square profile is ready. Now we have a two way to add a design library. First way is here and another way is here. So let us see. First types of we go to the save option, and now we have a two option. First option is file name and second option is save as type. So we go to the save as type and select the library parts. Now add this file and just name it like 50 by 50 and save it and select a no option. Now this is a library symbol, but we need one more step. So go to the right button, press the right click and select add to library. Now this sketch is add to the library. So first of all we need to go save and save it. So our profile is ready, but now again we go to the local disk C and copy to these files. So if go to the program data, now select SolidWorks 20 design library and copy to this file into different location. So first of all we go to the program file. Now select the SolidWorks Corp. Again choose the SolidWorks. Now we choose the language English and select the weldment profile. First of all we make a one folder like square profile 1, open it. Again make one folder and name it 50, otherwise square type of files is square, and open this folder and copy in this folder and continue this. So our weldment profile add in the library. Now how to make a weldment structures? So let us see. We make a one parts and weldment profile structures. So we choose a top plane and make one structures like I want to make a 500 by 500. Exit the sketch and select weldment profile. Now select the structure member and select the standard of your profile. Our profile is square profile 1, type of profile is square, and size of our profile is 50 by 50. Now go with the group and select sketch. So our profile is ready. So this is a first way to add in design library. We have another option, so please go to the new part and select OK. Now select the top plane and select sketch. Again we make a circular profile, so just select circle and just add some dimension like 50. We choose a offset entity 5, select object and select a reverse direction. So our circular profile is ready. Now we want to add a design library, so first of all you go to the design library and save this, add to library. Now item to add, so first of all we select sketch entity. Now save to option, you add your file name if you want, like 50 by 5 is our profile. So first of all we enter 50 by 5, and now another option we have, so we select file types. We select library file parts and add your part description. Like my part description is pipe tube, and select OK. Sorry. Okay. Again select sketch. File type is 50 by 5 and select a library part. Now our description is 5 tube, select OK. Sorry, we add in a folder. So first of all we make some folder. So first of all we create a new folder like pipe 1 and select this, and again choose add to library and item to add, select the sketch entity and file name 50 by 5. Now again select the library parts and add some description like pipe, select OK. So our weldment profile is ready. Now again copy this, so pipe 1, copy this profile and paste in the these parts. So weldment profile, create one new folder like pipe, open this folder, again make one folder, otherwise you paste this directly. Okay, make a folder name is 50 and copy into this location. Now weldment profile is ready. So how to apply again? So first of all we make another profiles. Center rectangle, add some dimension, 200 by 200 and exit this time, sketch and go to the weldment profile. Now select the structure member and we choose the standard pipe type and pipe size. Now go to the group and select this arrow. Now select the sketch. So our profile is ready to weld. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video.